Good evening guys. Greetings from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. I'm here with my friend Rutu of...
You Eat Me Insane?
Yeah, we've been getting it wrong, so You Eat Me Insane.
Exactly,
That's perfect. And tonight we're going to be having Indian street snacks. They're specialties of Gujarat.
Yeah. We are at JASUBEN Pizza.
Yeah.
So it's a basic biscuit pizza, you can say.
Okay.
And then we'll be going to eat KHAKHRA.
Oh,
so
wow.
every house in Gujarat, they keep KHAKHRA at that place.
Wow.
For sure. Yes.
I'll tell you what, I love pizza and I'm really looking forward to trying the KHAKHRA.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Okay, so what do we have here?
We have biscuit pizza. So we all have tasted the normal pizza.
Okay.
This is biscuit pizza. It's basically made from refined flour, or you'd say white wheat flour. Okay, they've rolled it into like a roti type of shape, and then they have baked it.
Okay.
Okay, and they baked it very hard, like a biscuit. So it'll be like very crunchy.
So it's pretty thick.
Yeah.
They put what do they put? You put cheese on top?
Yeah, and then vegetables and cheese and some masala.
Okay, it looks like a deep dish pizza from Pizza Hut. That's what it looked like.
Yeah.
But it's a biscuit pizza. We just saw how they made it right here at JASUBEN Shop. Is that the name of the place?
Yeah, that's right.
I got it right. Yay!
Yes.
And we have two different ones. So which ones are these?
So like Indian Italian pizza, and this is cheese baked.
So Indian Italian and cheese baked.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Basically, they have done nothing. They have just baked the cheese.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's in the Indian oven that you can see.
Yeah, I mean we saw the Indian oven. We saw the whole process right here.
Yeah.
I can't wait. I'm hungry. Let's start.
Anyone?
Anyone? I'll go with this one.
That's
Oh.
hold this.
Oh wow.
Whoa.
Look at that.
Pizza cheers.
Cheers. Wow, it tastes like a pizza, but with a crust of a biscuit.
Exactly.
You have tomato, some onions. No spices here. They kept it like very, very light on the spice. Oh wow. A nice crunchy, cheesy snack.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try it. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Wow, this is loaded with cheese.
Cheers.
Cheers, pizza cheers. Oh wow. This one is super cheesy, but I would say the cheese hasn't exactly melted. A little bit, but not a lot.
They've garnished it.
Yes, yeah, they've garnished it with it. The tomato sauce is delicious. It's they put quite a bit on. It's a little bit sweet, and the best part of all is the biscuit at the bottom. It's crisp. It's like a crispy biscuit.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, it tastes so good.
Oh, this one's insanely good. You eat me insane.
Yeah. We are at INDUBEN KHAKHRAWALA. Okay, so KHAKHRA is basically a Gujarati snack. Almost all, you will get this Gujarati snack in almost all the Gujarati household. Okay, every house. So it's very crispy. It's made from flour, and there are varieties of KHAKHRA, like around 100 varieties of KHAKHRA. So we'll be tasting it here, and then we'll talk more about it when we taste it. There are variety of KHAKHRA, like hundreds and hundreds of varieties. From diet to dabeli to pav bhaji to, I don't know, and the thinnest possible. And the entire Gujarat, you get the best here. It's basically, it's like roti, it's prepared like a roti, and it's rolled very thin, and then it's heated on a very low flame with, pressed like simultaneously with a wooden thing, okay, and then it's made. And with various flavors to it. So you have like Manchurian flavor, Chinese flavor, Pani Puri flavor, Pav Bhaji flavor.
So we're finally gonna try KHAKHRA, and there's like hundreds of different flavors here of KHAKHRA, as you see behind me. I mean, it's just like it piles up. Sandwich, Pani Puri, cheese, I mean, you name it, they got it. And here I have 5 different ones I'm gonna try right now. I'm gonna start with the first one, which is the original, just basically plain. It's basically like a super thin little dough. Okay, so that was the original, and now we have peanuts. Oh.
I'm sure there's peanut touch to it. Masala peanut touch to this actually.
Mmm. Oh, the peanut taste is so like enriched into the kakhra. Mmm. Oh my god. It almost felt like, well, not peanut butter, but almost there. Okay. This is the pani puri?
Yeah, pani puri.
Pani puri. You can call me the puri god.
Yes. I like it. I like the pani puri.
Wow. It's like the pani, it's the puri's infused into this, right?
The masala basically is infused into this.
Mmm.
Pani puri masala too. Yeah.
Oh my god. And you can just not stop eating this, right? Wow, I'm in love with it.
And this is cheese one.
Cheese.
Yeah.
Oh, you can really see it's like, bam. Mmm. Oh, super nice. It's funny because the cheese is like, it's very little cheese, but it's spread out so well that you can taste it throughout. Mmm. I have to. Mmm.
It tastes like cheese balls.
Exactly, exactly. You couldn't have said it better. Like
Plain butter. Dosa ka.
It's like a dosa.
a dosa.
But this is hard. You can carry the dosa anywhere.
Wow, so it's super like hard dosa. I like the regular dosas down in the south.
So it's kakhra in shape of dosa. Like that.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it was like a dosa shape basically, and then this was
Cream and onion.
cream and onion.
Yeah, like the face. You have the crisp.
Oh wow. Oh. You can really taste the cream and the onion together. It almost feels like having a little sandwich with cream and onion. Mmm. Oh, it's
Or the Lay's packet
fantastic.
we get.
It's the best.
You got it. So what do you have in your hand?
Handle.
And what's that?
That's again a pancake, Gujarati pancake.
Oh my gosh. Is it sweet or savory?
It looks savory.
It's both. Oh my gosh. We gotta try that at some point. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. We tried so many different Gujarati snacks. I mean, the pizza was incredible. Oh my gosh, it had like just this delicious sauce and then the crunch on the bottom. It was like a biscuit, right?
Yes, biscuit pizza.
Oh my gosh, biscuit pizza in India. You gotta try that. And then we moved over to here and we were trying different snacks. So what was your favorite one?
Pani puri khakra.
The KHAKHRA.
And cream and onion is, I think.
Cream and onion was really good. Yeah, I like the pani puri. I also really like the peanut one too.
Yeah.
So if you guys come here, there's like a gazillion different KHAKHRAs you can try. I mean, they have everything you can think of and not think of. If you love this video, guys, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Subscribe to our channel, Samuel and Audrey. David behind the camera. David's been here. And please tell us how people can follow you.
You eat me insane on Instagram and YouTube.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Rutu. And we'll have more adventures together.
Yes.
Actually, we're going to be heading out for street food after this, right?
Yeah, a food truck.
Food truck. The food never ends on this channel, guys.